The Hisense U7 Mini-LED is about to blow your mind.
Imagine watching your favorite sports team win, or diving into an epic movie marathon, but instead of a dull, grainy picture, you get crystal clear clarity, vibrant colors, and stunning detail.
That's what this Mini-LED TV delivers, with its thousands of Mini-LED backlights working in perfect harmony to create lifelike pictures that transport you right into the action. Let me show you why. First up, we've got Hi-QLED technology. This is where things get really interesting. See, most TVs just use a few big lights to illuminate their screens, but not this one. With thousands of mini-LEDs, Hisense has managed to create pinpoint control over each and every pixel.
That means you get exceptional brightness in bright rooms, true blacks when the action gets dark, and stunning detail that's hard to believe.
But what does it all mean for you?
Well, let's say you're hosting a watch party with friends. They'll appreciate the vibrant colors and clear picture without any distractions. Or maybe you're in the mood for a late-night gaming session. This TV will deliver smooth motion, crisp edges, and no lag to keep up with your fastest reflexes. Next up, we've got native 165Hz refresh rate.
This is where things get really fast.
See, most TVs can handle 60 frames per second, but not this one. With a whopping 165Hz refresh rate, you'll experience fluid action that never misses a beat. Whether you're watching sports, gaming, or just enjoying your favorite show, the picture stays crystal clear and sharp.
But how does it really hold up in real life? Let me show you. I've got a game on right now, and with this TV's 165Hz refresh rate, the action is so smooth, I can barely notice the motion. The picture is crisp, bright, and detailed, no matter what's happening on screen. Now, let's talk about anti-glare and glare-free performance. You know how it is when you're watching a movie and someone walks into the room with a lamp on? Suddenly, your TV gets all blurry and hard to see. But not this one. The advanced dual-layer screen treatment minimizes reflections and glare, so no matter where the light comes from, the picture stays clear and sharp. And it's not just about the picture, it's also about the sound. This TV features 2.1.2 multi-channel surround sound, tuned by UHD to bring you a rich, immersive audio experience that feels like you're right there in the action. But here's the thing, this TV isn't just about looks and sounds, it's also about making your life easier. With Fire TV's smart recommendations, watch lists, and voice control, you can easily find what you want to watch without spending hours browsing through menus. And with Alexa Plus, you can ask her for personalized recommendations and get instant answers. So what do you get when you buy the Hisense U7 Mini-LED? You get a TV that truly understands your viewing needs, with stunning detail, vibrant colors, and crystal clear clarity. You get a TV that makes gaming and sports experiences more immersive than ever before. And you get a TV that just plain feels amazing to use. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to the link below to check out this incredible Mini-LED TV for yourself.